Are you tired of constant bathroom trips, weak urine flow, or discomfort in your lower abdomen? These could be signs of an enlarged prostate, also known as benign prostatic hyperplasia or BPH. But here's something many don't realize. Some of the foods you consume daily might be worsening your symptoms. Today, we're revealing the top 10 foods you need to avoid to support prostate health and reduce enlargement. Stick around because the number one item might surprise you. It's something most of us consume every day, yet cutting it out could transform your prostate health. Number 1. Refined grains. At the top of our list are refined grains such as white bread, pasta and pastries. These processed grains have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients during manufacturing, resulting in a food product that spikes blood sugar levels and contributes to inflammation. Both inflammation and insulin resistance are known to exacerbate prostate problems, making refined grains a serious culprit. Regular consumption of refined grains not only increases the risk of weight gain, but also deprives your body of essential nutrients that whole grains provide. This can worsen symptoms such as frequent urination and bladder discomfort. High blood sugar levels linked to refined grains can also indirectly affect hormonal balance, further fueling prostate growth. Switching to whole grains like quinoa, brown rice and oatmeal can provide your body with fiber and essential nutrients that support prostate health. Fiber also promotes healthy digestion and weight management, which are critical for reducing prostate-related discomfort. Whole grains are also known for stabilizing blood sugar levels, which reduces inflammation and supports better hormone regulation, helping your prostate function optimally. If you're still dealing with these frustrating symptoms of an enlarged prostate, there's a powerful natural solution that's been helping men all over the world. Check out the link in the description for a doctor-recommended prostate remedy that might be just what you need. Number 2. Sugar. Next, we have sugar, a common yet harmful ingredient in many processed foods and beverages. Excessive sugar consumption contributes to chronic inflammation, obesity, and insulin resistance, all of which can worsen symptoms of an enlarged prostate. Sugary snacks, sodas, and desserts are among the biggest culprits. Beyond weight gain, high sugar intake can strain your metabolic health, creating a cycle of hormonal imbalances that encourage prostate growth. Studies also show that elevated blood sugar levels can impair your immune system, leaving you more vulnerable to infections, including prostatitis. To support your prostate, reduce your intake of added sugars and opt for natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. Fresh fruits are another excellent alternative, offering vitamins and antioxidants without the inflammatory effects of refined sugar. Limiting sugary beverages such as sodas can also improve hydration and urinary function, offering additional relief for prostate symptoms. Number 3. Processed foods. Processed foods, including frozen dinners, packaged snacks and deli meats, come in at number 3. These items are often high in unhealthy fats, sodium and artificial additives, which contribute to chronic inflammation, a key factor in prostate enlargement. Additionally, they lack essential nutrients and fiber, further harming your overall health. The high sodium content in processed foods can also lead to fluid retention and increased urinary frequency, aggravating BPH symptoms. These foods are also packed with preservatives and chemicals that may increase oxidative stress, a condition that damages cells in the prostate gland. Replacing processed foods with fresh, whole options such as fruits, vegetables and lean proteins can significantly improve your health. Making meals at home using fresh ingredients ensures you avoid hidden additives that can worsen your symptoms. Reducing your reliance on processed foods can also help maintain a healthy weight, which further alleviates prostate discomfort. Coming in at number 4 is red meat, including beef, pork and lamb. Studies link regular red meat consumption to increased risks of prostate issues due to its high saturated fat content and carcinogens formed during high-heat cooking methods like grilling or frying. These compounds promote inflammation and oxidative stress in the body. Frequent consumption of red meat has also been shown to elevate levels of hormones that contribute to prostate growth, further exacerbating symptoms like frequent urination and pelvic discomfort. Limiting red meat can make a big difference in your overall health. Instead, opt for leaner protein sources like fish, chicken, or plant-based proteins such as lentils and beans. These alternatives provide essential nutrients without the inflammatory effects of red meat, supporting a healthier prostate. Incorporating plant-based options can also lower your risk of other chronic conditions, such as heart disease, enhancing your overall well-being. Next, dairy products such as milk, cheese and yogurt may not be as benign as they seem. These items can increase levels of insulin-like growth factor, IGF-1, a hormone linked to prostate tissue growth. Additionally, the saturated fats found in dairy products contribute to inflammation, worsening BPH symptoms. Some studies have also associated high dairy consumption with an increased risk of prostate cancer, making it a potential double threat. The hormonal impact of dairy on testosterone and estrogen balance may further exacerbate prostate conditions. Consider replacing dairy with plant-based alternatives like almond, soy or oat milk. These options provide similar nutrients such as calcium without the inflammatory effects, helping you manage your prostate health more effectively. Additionally, plant-based options often include added vitamins such as D and B12, which support overall health and immunity. At number 6, alcohol poses a significant challenge for men with an enlarged prostate. As a diuretic, alcohol increases urine production, leading to more frequent bathroom trips, a common and frustrating symptom of BPH. Alcohol also disrupts hormonal balance, which can contribute to prostate growth. The inflammatory effects of alcohol worsen symptoms and can hinder the body's natural ability to heal. Over time, excessive drinking may deplete essential nutrients needed for prostate health, further compounding the issue. Limiting alcohol or switching to non-alcoholic beverages like herbal teas or infused water can significantly improve your symptoms. Reserving alcohol for special occasions is a practical way to protect your prostate while maintaining a balanced lifestyle. Additionally, reduced alcohol consumption supports liver health, which is essential for hormone regulation and overall body function. Spicy foods like chili peppers rank at number 7. While they add zest to meals, spicy foods can irritate the bladder and prostate, leading to increased urinary frequency and discomfort. Capsaicin, the compound responsible for the heat in chili peppers, can exacerbate symptoms like burning during urination. For those with an enlarged prostate, spicy foods can make an already sensitive urinary system more reactive. This can lead to more frequent trips to the bathroom and an overall decline in comfort. If you love spicy dishes, opt for milder alternatives or season your meals with prostate-friendly herbs like turmeric, ginger and basil. These options provide anti-inflammatory benefits without irritating your urinary tract. Exploring these alternatives can ensure a flavorful yet health-conscious diet. Caffeine, commonly found in coffee, tea, sodas and energy drinks, ranks at number 8. While it's a beloved morning staple for many, caffeine acts as a diuretic, increasing urine production and irritating the bladder. This can worsen urinary urgency and frequency in men with BPH. Caffeine also stimulates the nervous system, which can heighten sensitivity in the urinary tract. For those already struggling with frequent urination, reducing caffeine intake can offer significant relief. Consider switching to decaffeinated coffee or exploring caffeine-free beverages like herbal teas and infused water. Even small adjustments can reduce irritation and improve your quality of life. Moderating caffeine consumption can also improve sleep quality, which is often disrupted by nighttime trips to the bathroom. At number 9, fried foods are a double-edged sword for prostate health. High in trans fats and saturated fats, these foods contribute to chronic inflammation and weight gain, both major risk factors for prostate enlargement. Frying also produces harmful compounds like advanced glycation end products, or AGEs, which increase oxidative stress and inflammation throughout the body. Regular consumption can make prostate symptoms significantly worse. Switching to healthier cooking methods such as baking, grilling or steaming can help you enjoy your favorite dishes without the inflammatory effects. Incorporating heart-healthy oils like olive or avocado oil can further enhance the nutritional value of your meals. These alternatives allow you to maintain flavor while supporting your overall health. Finally, salt takes the number 10 spot. Excessive sodium intake can lead to high blood pressure and fluid retention, both of which exacerbate urinary frequency and urgency. Many processed foods contain hidden sodium, making it easy to consume more than the recommended daily amount. High salt consumption can also impair kidney function, which plays a critical role in urinary health. Reducing sodium intake is a simple yet effective way to manage prostate symptoms and promote overall well-being. Flavor your meals with fresh herbs and spices instead of salt. Choosing fresh, whole foods over processed options can help you keep your sodium levels in check while supporting your prostate health. Over time, reducing salt intake can lead to better hydration and improved urinary function, providing relief from prostate-related issues. If you're looking to get relief from the enlarged prostate symptoms quickly, there's a unique prostate health juice that dissolves the root causes of discomfort. Click the link in the description to learn more about this potent remedy. By avoiding these 10 foods, you can take control of your prostate health and improve your quality of life. Small dietary adjustments can lead to big improvements in managing symptoms and reducing inflammation. If you found this information helpful, give this video a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video.